Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to send an email to your recipient using Freshdesk on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Freshdesk. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, let's go to freshworks.com, click on this, and this should take us to Freshdesk. Go to account, which will sign you into the account. And now what we will do is go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to tickets. Let's just say a client has called in to the IT support desk to converse about the technical fault. And henceforth, we have the information. We can then log a ticket and an email that is sent to the client. So let's click on new, then click on email. This is from support@ComputerScienceVideos.freshdesk.com, and this will be sent to, let's just say, Rayhan@ComputerScienceVideos.com. There we have that pre-populated. The subject will be technical issue. In the description, dear customer, I hope that this email finds you well. Full stop, next line. Prior to our phone conversation, I have now created this support ticket. To log the technical fault. Kind regards. And then your signature or your name or the company you work for. Let's just say Computer Science Videos. And this is a high priority ticket. The status will be open and we can now click on send. So this itself has now been sent to the client. And we can also see that a ticket itself has been created. If I were to now, let's just say, go to the top right corner, go to a new tab, and now let's go to Office 365. We are looking to go within Outlook to check the email that has come through via the support ticketing system. And there we have that email on screen. Dear customer, I hope that this email finds you well. Prior to our phone conversation, I have now created this support ticket to log the technical fault. Kind regards, and then Computer Science Videos. Click on this, which should take us to the ticket itself, which is on screen. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.